Okay, this is the GPT-4 code interpreter. You have to have a GPT Plus account, or you can't use it. You can do anything that doesn't require internet, code APIs, or GPT API, as long as it doesn't have internet as well. So you could do a loop, like, and you'll write the whole code in this little section do it top here, and then it will act as if it's visits you the code and do the code, do the output. You can also do graphs, like you have to give it the variables or it won't work.
Hannah, no. You can't do scratch.
And then it'll plot the graph after it's done the code. So give it a second. And plot it. You can tell it to do a sine wave or anything like that. So yeah. It'll do that. As long as you don't say anything that isn't a wave or anything. It'll just work then.